Close your eyes and say, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat, Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruvir Namaha. Rub your hands, come on. Put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Very good, children. Very good. So, children, today first we will complete some our before and after numbers, and then I will tell you what you have to do. Okay? So, for that, you have to take out page number 78, this page. Page number 78. Come on. What comes before or after? पहिला आपल्याला कसं दिलं तर फक्त बिफोर नंबर, फक्त आफ्टर नंबर्स. आता त्यांनी कन्फ्युजन काय केलंय की एकतर तुम्हाला आफ्टर नंबर पण देऊ शकतात, बिफोर नंबर पण. सो यू हॅव टू गेस इट. ओके, सो दिस इज 12 and where is the dash? Where is the empty space? कुठे आहे? इकडच्या साईडला आहे. ओके, जर इकडच्या साईडला असेल म्हणजे आधी असेल, आधी काय येतो आपला? बिफोर. येस, अँड नंतर काय येतं? आफ्टर. सो जे आधी येत आहे त्याला काय म्हणणार आपण? बिफोर नंबर. सो व्हॉट कम्स बिफोर 12? इट कम्स 1, 1, 11. Come on, right? 1, 1, 11. Okay, now it was before. Now where is the dash? इकडे डॅश दिली असती तर तुम्ही बिफोर नंबर, पण डॅश कुठे? पुढे. एम्प्टी स्पेस कुठे? पुढे. सो व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 13? 1, 3. 13 के बाद में क्या आएगा? 1, 4, 14. What will come? 1, 4, 14. Very good. Again, now see, it's 10. 10 के पहले क्या आएगा? It will come 9. Because first 9 comes and then 10 comes, isn't it? So what comes? 9. Good. Some of the children are writing on their own. Very good. $20. What will come before 20? 2020 च्या पहिले काय येणार? 1, 9, 19, and then it will come 2020. Very good. Atharva has done all the things. Very good, Atharva. Next is 9. 9 च्या नंतर काय येणार? 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. This is 14. What will come after 14? 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Isn't it? Come on, write it properly. Everyone will write. This is 7. What will come after 7? Number 8. Number 8. And what will come before 3? 3 च्या पहिले काय येणार? Number 2. Number 2. Yes, very good. Done. Come to next page. Come on, one more we will do. Yes. कुठे dash? पहिले तुम्हाला काय बघायचं? Dash कुठे? पुढे का मागे? Now the dash is here, back side. So you have to go one number back. That is 1, 9, 19. And then comes 2, 0, 20. Isn't it? Yes. This is 1, 1, 11. And what will come after 1, 1, 11? 1, 2, 12. Yes. After. It is after. Yes. Good. This is 9. What will come before 9? 9 च्या आधी कोणता नंबर येतो? It will come number 8, isn't it? Number 8. This is 1, 6, 16. 16 number च्या आधी कोणता येतो? Dash is? Yes, this side. Means it is before. 1, 5, 15. Yes. Dash कुठे आहे? Empty space कुठे दिली आहे? कुठे नंबर लिहायचा आपल्याला? हे पहिलं आपल्याला कळलं पाहिजे, isn't it? Then you can write properly. Yes. This is 7. What will come after 7? Yes. Yes, put your finger like this so you will understand. For after you have to go in front and for before you will go back. Okay. After 7, which number will come? 8. After 15, which number will come? 16. After 17, what will come? 18. And before 18, मागे जातीये मी, 18 काय येणार? 1, 7, 17. Yes. Have you understood? Yes. Any confusion? कुठे जायचंय? पुढे जायचंय का मागे जायचंय? त्याच्यावर डिपेंड आहे की आपण बिफोर नंबर लिहितोय का आफ्टर. Okay. So 2 pages we have done. Now page number 80, 81 is your homework. So write here HW, come on. 80 page number and 81 page number is your homework. What is it? It is your homework. Come on. So you will do this page, this 2 page as a homework. And then let me know if you have not understood, then also I will explain you again. Okay? Yes? Have you understood? Okay. So students, we will quickly do one activity that today we are going to meet one person. And who is that person? Close this book, children. Come on. Close this book. And you have to open this book. You have to open this book and this picture. Come on. Quickly open this picture. Come on, find for it. Yes. Everyone will find it and then we will go ahead. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Which page number and which book and which page number?
Yes. Okay, ma'am. This is activity book number 4. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
it does not have a page number. So you have to search for the page like this,
Okay,
this
okay.
drawing. Okay. Yes. I will wait for you to everyone. Okay. Did everyone got it? Okay. Now in this main picture, okay, look at this picture only first. Can you see one man is sitting? Yes. And he's having some shoes. Yes. Backside also you can see the shoes, pair of shoes here, chappals. Yes. And the man who polishes our boots. Yes. Have you seen this person? You can see on the road. Okay. So this is a man who polishes our shoes or stitches our shoes or a sandal if it is broken. Yes. जर आपली चप्पल किंवा सॅन्डल तुटली तर आपण ह्या पर्सन कडे जातो. He is called as cobbler. What he is called as? Cobbler. Come on, everyone, please repeat. He is called as cobbler, who repairs all the shoes. Yes, very good. Who repairs our shoes polishes our shoes, chappals and sandals is called as cobbler. And can you see he's using a material for it? So kaitari material use karta, isn't it? So he is stitching some shoes. Yes. So this is the shoes, and in his hand there is some thread like structure. Here, can you see in this box there are some bottles? Yes, there is some soles, and here is the brush. So what does this man do? He polishes the boot and stitches the shoes if it is broken. Now, what they have asked us, match the cobbler to the tools he used. Means what are the tools म्हणजे काय? तो काय काय यूज करतो त्याच्या कामासाठी? येस, जर तो सीझर, थ्रेड यूज करत असेल तर ते त्याचे टूल्स झाले, isn't it? Like a doctor कसं stethoscope, or he used the weight measuring, he used the salines, injections. These all things are used by him. So like a cobbler, what are the things that used by him? Let's see. Does he use the nuts? खिळे use करतो का तो असे? Yes, nuts? No. So you will not match this. Okay. Next is the polish and the brush. Yes. Does he use to brush? Yes, our shoes and polish our shoes. For the polish, he requires like this polish and this brush, isn't it? So he uses this. So what you have to do, from this picture, you have to draw a line to the cobbler. Yes, to the cobbler. Okay. Next one. Does he use this hammer and this the structure that he is keeping the shoes on it? Yes. Does he use it? Yes or no? Yes, he used the hammer, and this, it is of, I think so, it is of steel. Yes, he keeps the shoes and stitch on it. So this is the material that he used, and there is also one knife. So he used this material. So draw a line from this box to the cobbler. Okay, understood everyone? And the last one, can you see there are some paint brushes? Does a cobbler use it? Can you see it anywhere in the picture? No, Nidhi is putting the thumbs down. So he does not use this brushes. Who use this brushes? Painter use this brushes. Cobbler doesn't use this brush. Okay? He understood to everyone. So he uses two things, that is the polish and brush and the hammer and the stand. Yes, these are the things that the cobbler use. Yes, everybody has understood. Okay. Yes, so today we have seen the cobbler. Okay, everyone should know who is the cobbler, what is his work. Yes, I can ask you in the oral that who is the cobbler, what is his work, what does he do? So you can tell me. Okay. Yes, so we will stop here only. Today we have done two things. That is, first, the before and after number, fill in the blanks. And the next one is that who is a cobbler, and he helps us. Yes, very good, very good. So children, you have to revise all these things and do your homework. Okay. Yes, so bye bye, have a good day, stay blessed. And after finishing, now we will finish our writing book. Okay, after finishing our activity book, we are going to start with our revision. Yes, so no one will miss the revision. All the important points will be told in the revision only. Okay. Yes, so stay happy and have a happy Tuesday for you all, and bye bye, have a good day. Yes, bye. And yes, Prabhudini's work I'm seeing on the Facebook. Ma'am has put all the things, so she's doing a very good job.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay.
My guitar.
Yes, dear.
Good dear. Good dear.
Yes, Bhargav, any problem? Okay, have a good day. Yes, bye-bye. Very nice. He has done the guitar with a pink color. Good, good. Very good, dear. Bye. Have a good day.